Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, cruise control, USB connection, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, reading lights, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, rear air. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.